Heddiw mae camerâu Sgorio wedi dod yma i Barc Eirias, lle mae dros 100 o blant o Ogledd Cymru wedi dod yma i gymryd rhan mewn gwyl bêl-droed arbennig iawn.
Mae plant o Gogledd Cymru gyd o ysgolion arbennig wedi dod at ei gilydd i chwarae pêl-droed. Dydyn nhw ddim yn cael y cyfle o hyd i chwarae allan o'r ysgol, really. So dyna lle dwi wedi cychwyn gweithio efo Siôn Erdley, a mae Siôn yn helpu fi trio cael drosodd i clwbiau yn Cymru bod na plant yma sydd yn gallu chwarae, isio chwarae mwy. Maen nhw gyd yn cymysgu efo gilydd, maen nhw'n gwneud ffrindiau newydd, a just i joio.
I think disability inclusion, is on the rise within Wales. I think we can do more, but I think where it is at the minute, it's in a good place. You know, days like today are very rewarding, and you know, you earn your cup of tea like at the end of the day. But yeah, it's a job that I really enjoy doing, and hopefully, like I said, for many years to come, you know, we can get a lot more people not just involved in football, but involved in sport as well.
Wel, dyma fi hefo ffrindiau newydd Ifan fan hyn a Daniel. Hoci, beth sy'n digwydd yma heddiw yma?
Chwarae pêl-droed.
Chwarae pêl-droed.
Ifan, pwy ydi dy hoff chwaraewr bêl-droed di?
Gareth Bale.
Ie, ti'n chwarae'n debyg iawn iddo fo, dwi'n meddwl yn does?
Yndw.
Pwy ti'n cefnogi?
Cymru.
Ie, come on Cymru. A beth am Daniel? Ti di cael gêm eto?
Do.
Do? Nes ti sgorio?
Do.
Do, nes ti sgorio hefyd? Ac oedd na lot o ddathlu wedyn? Do. Well, Jordan, how much have you been enjoying yourself this morning?
Yeah, a lot. It's been nice coming here, playing a football match, yeah. It's been fun. I aspire to be like Leo Messi because he's like the best player in the world. He's better than Ronaldo.
How great is Miss Davis for arranging this day?
She's brilliant. It's Karen for doing it, and she's a great teacher.
Hwn ydy diwrnod maen nhw'n edrych ymlaen i pob blwyddyn. Dwi'm yn rhoi y llythyrau allan, really, tan wythnos cynt, achos dwi jyst yn gael nhw'n dod ato fi. Miss Davis, pryd mae festival, gai ddod o boots fi, gai ddod o shimpad, so ie, mae hwn ydy diwrnod gorau o'r rhan chwaraeon yn yr ysgol.